Oh my God. Can you believe 20 years ago we were hanging out in a burned out space in Hell's Kitchen, wondering how we were going to turn this place into what we hoped to be be some kind of like beautiful community, some sort of gathering place for people to just come together and feel and breathe and live and grow. And it's become that, and it has sustained for 2 decades. That is an astonishing thing to know, to believe. Such a joy to know that I played some role in bringing this together and then passing the torch and seeing just the community still flourish. Lauren, with you and with everybody else who's made Sonic what it is. I am overjoyed, overwhelmed, and I wish you and the entire community just an amazing moment and hopefully another 20 years to come filled with grace and ease. Much love.